Hello there, this is Ujjwal and welcome to another video. This is the beginning of a new month and that means I have a new kit from Dress My Craft to share with you. I also have a small giveaway at the end, so make sure you stay till the end. Alright, let's see what I've got this month. I am absolutely in love with the newly launched rice papers, and you saw that I got a couple last time. I also added this one. I thought that beautiful design in the center was so pretty, and the florals and the butterflies, everything looks absolutely wonderful, and so I couldn't resist it. I also got this tag bunch. I had been looking for this for so long, but it was always out of stock. Finally found it, and I love that the top edge of the tag, the top design of the tag that it has here. It cuts in 3 different sizes, and I'm very excited to use this. I think this will make my tag making so much easier. I also got the newly released heat resistant tweezers. These have a ceramic end and they don't heat up when you use them with a heat gun. So this is something that is another great new thing. I also added a couple of ties. I love their florals and the foliage, so I added these two. And I'm going to link all the supplies in the description box below, so you can go to the link and check them out if you wish to. The next thing that I got is a lot of papers. So the first bundle I got, I always mostly get the collection kits. So this one is called Vintage Saga. I have the 6x6, I have the 12x12, and I also have the coordinating motif sheet. And I'm just going to flip through real quick here so you can see all the beautiful pages inside. Again, of course, as the name says, it's a very vintagey, beautiful collection. Lots of vintage images and text and florals, and you can see those fairies. A lot of beautiful patterns, and I have some ideas that I'll be creating a mini album with this pretty soon. So you can see the beautiful brown and red combination here. This is again such a beautiful page with this very vintage feel, the roses and all the text. It's just absolutely stunning. It is one of their older collections, but I think it's one of their best. So pretty. So yeah, that's Vintage Saga, and of course that is the motif sheet. Motif sheet has more florals and birds, and there are some journaling cards and fairies, angels, a lot of elements that you can use. The next collection that I got is the Precious Baby Boy collection. Again, it has the 6x6, the motif sheet, and the 12x12. So the motif sheet has tons of little embellishments that you can cut out and use, lots of words, sentiments. It's a mix of cute and vintage. And here is again a quick flip through of the pages, and you can see it is this cutely vintage, if I have to say it. So there is a mix of solid patterns plus vintage images. And how cute is this little crib sheet? I think it will be great for some 12x12 layouts. And there are this cloud paper with vintage baby images, super cute. And then this one also has some 6x6 papers and some journaling cards, which is always a plus. I love coordinating journaling cards. And okay, so the next collection is the Charming Baby Girl collection. Again, I have all the 3 elements, the motif sheet, which again is full of tons of little elements that you can cut out and use. And I have the 6x6 and the 12x12. So here is a quick flip through. Again, this is also a mix of, just like the Precious Baby Boy, a mix of vintage and cute. So it has kind of similar elements like the script page, then there are some solid patterns, and then there are some vintage pages, a textured wall image. So I think there are some great papers here for 12x12 layouts or big albums if you wish to make some. And of course it also has some journaling cards and all. So yeah, that was my short and sweet haul for this month. And now for the giveaway, I'm giving away this newly released embossing folder. And to win this, I think this is really, really cute. It'll work with easy cuts, but it'll also work with any die cutting machine that you might have at hand. And to win this, of course, make sure you like this video and you are a subscriber to the channel, and you comment in the description. I'm sorry, you comment on this video here, and let me know what creative thing you made recently. So what is your recent creative project? Okay, so just comment on this video, and I will choose a winner pretty soon. So thank you for joining me today, and have a great day. Bye bye.